The 1963 Chevrolet Impala Super Sport redefined. American muscle with its jet-smooth styling and groundbreaking power. Boasting over 153,000 units sold, it became Chevrolet's crown jewel, blending luxury with raw performance. With sculpted side panels, a V-shaped grille, and iconic triple taillights, the '63 Impala SS showcased sleek aerodynamic lines. Its chrome accents and convertible hardtop epitomized 1960s elegance, setting trends for decades. Under the hood, options ranged from a modest i6 to the legendary V8, producing up to 425 horsepower. The rare 427 Ci Z11 engine, rated at 430 HP, remains a collector's holy grail. The SS trim included bucket seats, a tachometer, heavy-duty suspension, and aluminum trim. Priced at just $161 extra, it transformed the Impala into a street-ready powerhouse. The 409 Ci V8 could hit 0-60 amp in 6.3 seconds, with a quarter-mile time of 14.9 seconds. This made it a drag strip dominator immortalized in the beach. The Impala SS became a symbol of rebellion and freedom, featured in films like American Graffiti. Its blend of size and speed inspired the muscle car era, influencing rivals like the Ford Mustang. Chevrolet sold 830-2600 Impalas in 1963, with 271 being super sports. The convertible started at $3,024, making it accessible yet aspirational. Many SS models lost engines or documentation over time. Authenticating one requires checking cowl tags for trim codes like 858, confirming bucket seats and SS specs. Mint condition 63 SS convertibles now fetch over 100,000. Even project cars, like a stripped Kansas City Roller, listed for 100,000. Even project cars, like a stripped Kansas City Roller listed for 4,050, attract restorers seeking rarity. The 409-powered Impala dominated NASCAR and drag racing. Its success forced competitors like Ford to develop the 427 Galaxy, sparking the horsepower wars. The Impala's DNA lives in modern Chevys like the Camaro SS. Its legacy as the first muscle car cements its place in automotive history. Rev up your nostalgia! If you loved this deep dive into the '63 Impala SS, smash that subscribe button and hit the bell. Stay tuned to Speed Scout for more classic car legends.